With the arrest of 4 persons with suspected ISIS links, Delhi police have claimed to have unearthed a terror plot. Meanwhile, in an encounter with the security forces in Pulwama in J&K, 2 terrorists have been killed. Security agencies are on a high alert.
A major terror plot has been foiled due to the promptness of security forces. 4 persons have been apprehended with suspected ISIS links from Mangalore in Uttarakhand and Delhi. The police claim to have unearthed a big terror plot which had the ongoing Ardh Kumbh Mela in Haridwar on its target. The 4 suspects were tracked down with inputs from a central intelligence agency. They'd planned to carry out terror attacks at the Ardh Kumbh Mela, trains heading towards Haridwar passing through Roorkee and some strategic locations in Delhi.
हरिद्वार के ग्रामीण एरिया में लगातार कुछ संदिग्ध लोगों पे उनकी गतिविधियों पे नजर रखी जा रही थी। चारों की गिरफ्तारी हुई है। ये चारों स्टूडेंट के रूप में थे।
All 4 arrested were produced before a court on Wednesday and they were remanded to 15 days of custody. It's alleged that the terrorists came in contact with ISIS through social media and got influenced by their ideology. One of the suspects, Akhlaq, is also being questioned in connection with the Pathankot attack. Uttarakhand police says the arrested terrorists had carried out reconnaissance for their terror strike. Recently, one suspect who was arrested in Meerut also indicated that his associates visited possible targets in Uttarakhand. This alerted the police in the state and the Delhi police also began tracking their network and activities.
इनका जो है वो आज अरेस्ट करके कोर्ट में प्रोड्यूस किया गया है और 15 दिन की हमें पुलिस रिमांड मिली है। इनकी फर्दर इंट्रोगेशन इन्वेस्टिगेशन हम लोग कर रहे हैं और ये वन ऑफ द फ्यू ओकेजन्स है जबकि एक एक्चुअल कमीशन ऑफ ऑफेंस को हमने रोक लिया।
Meanwhile, in an encounter with the security forces in Pulwama district, 1 terrorist has been killed. The terrorists were hiding in a house in Nenabadpura village and used it as a bunker. Security forces blew up the house. Debris of the house is being searched to retrieve the body of the terrorist and of any other additional attacker.
यहाँ पर 2 से 3 मिलिटेंट्स आकर के रुके हुए हैं। तो हमने शाम को 7 बजे ही यहाँ पे कॉर्डन कर लिया था और जैसे ही सर्च शुरू हुआ तो मिलिटेंट्स ने अंदर से फायर शुरू कर दिया। तो उसके बाद हमने पूरे जगहों को कॉर्डन करके और उसको रात भर फायरिंग चली है। तो हमें एक मिलिटेंट की डेड बॉडी मिली है।
As Republic Day celebrations are around the corner, security agencies are on high alert to foil any possible terror attack in any part of the country. An alert has been sounded after a blue beacon flashing SUV of an IG of ITBP was stolen early on Wednesday from Noida, prompting the police to launch a massive manhunt. Apart from the blue beacon, the SUV has a 2-star police IG plate and an ITBP flag at the front. The police are making all efforts to trace the vehicle. In the Pathankot attack, terrorists had overpowered an Punjab police SP riding a similar vehicle to reach the IF base before launching their deadly terror strike. With Aseem Mishra and Srinagar, Newsnight Desk, DD News.